Gain the skills and confidence you need to thrive in your dream career. I read this on Excel Career College website. And in this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the college located in Surrey.
So as soon as you enter, you are here in the lobby area where I wait for a while somebody is there to assist you. And now we'll wait for the CEO to come out and give us the tour herself.
Hi, Bisman. Hi, Palak. How are you? I'm good. Good to see you. Good to see you as well.
We have Bisman Arora, the president and CEO of Excel Career College. It's so good to be here, and I heard that we have more colleges, campuses across.
Yes. Well, first of all, it's so nice to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. I'm so excited to show you around. Yes, we have 4 campuses across BC.
I see.
We have 2 on the island, one in Courtenay and Victoria, and then we've got one in Kelowna in the Okanagan Valley, and one in Surrey, which is where we are today.
Perfect.
So yeah, let's go.
Let's start. So, Bisman, what is the vision of the college for 2025?
We want to continue to educate people so they can step into their careers confidently. We want to continue to invest in state-of-the-art facilities. We've just opened this campus about less than a year ago, and we're already running out of space. So we're looking for more space. We're strengthening our partnerships. We are always on the lookout for community partners, industry stakeholders, partnering with our local businesses for our students so they can do co-op and work experience placements there, and eventually start working in the community. Here's one of our classrooms. Yeah. We have 6 classrooms on the campus here in Surrey. All of them are very bright and open. That was the goal. I envisioned a very open and
transparent,
campus.
I would say, yeah.
Transparent campus where you can, the team and the students can always see each other, and it's to pass on a message that we're there for you as the student. So as we go by, this is the campus director's office. We've got
We're gonna say hi to all of them in a while.
Yes, we're closer to the end of the day, so not everybody's here, but we've got the registrar's office here.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah. Okay, so we have the registrar here. Would you mind saying hello to the viewers?
Hello.
It says it's not just a goal; it's a mindset.
So we've got these nice motivational quotes in all of our offices, just as a reminder to our staff and students.
Yeah, to stay positive.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, Bisman, how do you make sure that the students' academic excellence is, in sync with their well-being because of the changing trends? You might have to do a lot of exceptionally good work. So,
well, as we know, the student journey can vary from a very short couple months to up to 2 or 3 years in life, right? Depending on the program they're taking. So what Excel really excels in is we try to provide wraparound supports to all of our students throughout their journey. So, for example, as soon as a student is here, we are helping them find housing. We have partnerships in place for mental health support, for medical insurance, things like that. All of our programs are designed to have a job search component in them, so just to prepare them for interviews, resume building, cover letter, networking. It's not just the education, it's every single part of their life that we're really trying to help them excel in.
I know, because it's rare to find a college, helping students with not just their academic excellence, but along with that, making sure that they're where they're living, how they're spending their life. You talk about mental health, so it's rare to find such colleges. I'm starting my campus tours with the Excel Career College. For the programs, I think because there are a lot of programs, I believe there are more than 10 programs. So I would be putting a website screenshot here so you guys can scan all the programs.
Yeah, we have more than 10 programs and more than 10 or 15 in the development and review stage right now. So we're regularly, my team is trying to study and understand what what is the community trying to ask from us.
Perfect.
And so yeah, we have lots of new programs coming soon. And we're excited to launch them in 2025.
Perfect. So we are excited. I hope I'm sure this video is gonna go live in 2025.
Yes.
So all of you watching, go ahead and check the website.
Yeah. So we have 2 classrooms behind you.
Yeah.
All of our classrooms fit about 20 to 30 students. Over here we have our academics office, and that's Rob, our
Hi, Rob.
Vice President of Academic Affairs.
Hi, Rob.
Hi,
Good to see you.
it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, I think you will help us with the tour ahead.
Yes.
Of course.
So Rob, let's go for the tour. And can I grab a candy
Of
on the
course.
way? Merry
I often
Christmas, all of you.
I often have candies for students and staff. It helps draw them into my office. So let me show you some of the more recreational areas.
Absolutely.
For Excel students, we actually have a specific kitchen for them. It allows them to come, relax, enjoy, and engage in that social aspect of education, which is so important because students need a chance to relax. And college is not just about the academics. College is about the entire social aspect.
So this is the place where the chit chat.
And sometimes I wonder if they do talk about the teachers as well.
Do you have cameras or audio recorders here? Oftentimes we see that, colleges do that to keep a track of the kids.
We actually do have cameras in most locations as a safety precaution because we want to make sure that this is a safe learning environment for everybody.
Yeah, exactly.
And across the hall, we have the admissions office. And this is where the admissions team meets with students.
Maybe. I think they're so busy with enrolling the students because there's so many students coming up probably here. So we'll go ahead. Okay.
And as we continue on our tour, we come across our wall of history. This is a very important wall for us because we are proud of this wall. This is the steps and progressions of the various stages along the way.
The history of the college.
And we have various awards that we've won through the years, recognition from the provincial ministers. Here are some pictures of our other campuses in Victoria and Kelowna.
Oh, and I see Bisman there.
And this is a very proud moment when Bisman was named.
So she was named the Business of the Year at Vancouver Island Business Examiner Award 2022. Big round of applause for the young lady.
Very exciting because she had just recently become the owner of Excel College at that time. Okay, so let's take a walk down to our student lounge. Again, the student lounge is an opportunity for students to come together and share and bond.
Oh, that's the...
In here we have the student lounge, we have games and books available, we have snacks available, but really it's important for the students to have
I see games, the board games here.
The students like to have a chance to come together to share. Sometimes they'll be playing cards, sometimes they'll be reading recreational books, sometimes they'll be playing different board games. Studying is very stressful, and it's important for students to be able to unwind and connect up with each other. Absolutely. Many of the students come from various parts of Canada and the world. And they may not have the same social connections and the same network. And so having an environment like this allows them to connect up and become friends and share the educational journey together.
So let's go ahead. I believe we have a staff lounge. I read it there.
Yes, we do.
Can I see that?
Sure. We do have some administrative offices, but very important, we have a staff lounge. And this staff lounge is a chance for faculty and administration to come together.
What is the secret behind the green?
I I don't know.
Is it nature? I'm gonna ask Bisman. Let's go to Bisman's office. If you can take me there, and then I'm gonna ask that question to her.
Sure.
Because I'm from marketing. I see the marketing department sits here, and it's usually the marketing people deciding the color coding and the things. But it's always based on the vision of the leader.
Yes.
So let's just go to her and ask her.
And finally, the most important room in the campus is the president's office. Hi, Bisman.
Hi, Bisman. We're back again.
I wanted to bring her by to conclude the tour in your office, because this is where all the decisions are made. This is where the strategic planning is happening. This is where the vision is created.
Yes, we have met Bisman in the past. We did a video together. You guys should watch part 1. So I'm gonna attach the link here. And I could understand where she's coming from with her, childhood experiences as a leader. So that's why maybe the strategic planning is on point. And we are coming here with a question, Bisman. What is the secret behind the green color at Excel?
Well, it's bright. It pops out, and I think green is the color of happiness.
So we got the answer.
Wonderful.
So Bisman, we had an amazing college tour today. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled to share the tour with the audience, and I do have some more questions. First, I want to talk about how do you make sure that the college is inclusive and the diversity is. What measures do you take for that?
So we, obviously it's our goal that every student who steps into the campus feels supported and feels a sense of belonging as soon as they step into our campus. So I talked about earlier having administrative offices spread throughout the campus is because we want students to have access to anybody wherever, no matter where they are, right, located in the campus. Our staff is trained to make sure that each student and their individual needs are assessed, and our processes are carried out effectively to ensure that every student feels like they belong. So for example, we would find if, you and I have gone to school, so we know that a lot of times students from diverse backgrounds will need accommodation. So we have policies in place to ensure that for example, anything like an extended deadline, or if they need some quiet space to study, to do their exam, if they have anxiety, they want to do it apart from the rest of the class. We have accommodation policies in place that allow our students to have that free space to do
it's
things like
great.
that.
I think it's the need of the hour where we talk about this, and because I remember that when we were studying, there was never a discussion about these topics, and with the young leaders coming ahead, I see these questions getting asked, answers are on the plate. So that's amazing.
We have to continue to evolve and adapt as things evolve, right? So especially after COVID, we see a lot of things that didn't exist prior to that come out now.
Absolutely. Students are coming from across the world, and the financial status of people are different because of the changing currencies as well. So what measures do you take to make sure that the affordability and even the scholarships are there? Some scholarships, so
all of our programs at the college is accredited and recognized by Student Aid, and so is approved in various provinces. Our students, especially our domestic students, can get funding in many of the provinces in Canada, including BC, Ontario, Alberta. We have online education, so some of our programs that are offered distance have students from those provinces. We offer scholarships. We have various scholarships that are being designed or redesigned on a regular basis. So scholarships is a big part of how we ensure that our students can afford our education. Then we have installment plans, flexible installment plans that are customized to each student. So it's not standardized. We assess each student's needs individually and give them a very customized installment plan. We apply for funded programs as well. So we have various funded programs over the year enable students to take some of our programs free of cost.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so
they need to keep an eye open, probably,
yes,
and look out for all the opportunities that Excel has to offer, right?
yes, for sure.
So yeah, we had a lot of questions for today. I'm sure that probably students watching the video would have more questions for us, and based on what their questions are,
well, they know where to find us.
Yeah, now you know. So especially if you're looking for the Surrey location, we gave you a thorough tour. So gonna see you in the next video with the next college tour.
Well, thank you for coming here today, and it was our pleasure to show you around.
Thank you.